So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power Share. So we know that stock has been obeying all the levels that we have discussed in previous videos. And if we see currently it is approaching the resistive region. So we can see current market price is also near 91 rupees. So will it break that resistance or not, or will it consolidate in a sideways manner? So we'll try to find out that. So you'll learn something new regarding technicals in this particular video. So apart from that, we also know that I am running a separate channel called Stocks Diary Education. So in that particular channel also I am uploading videos regarding all the stock market education, so that definitely you learn something new. So do subscribe to that particular channel as well. So now let's start our discussion on Adani Power. Okay, so first let us start our discussion by analyzing how the deliveries have been taken on day-to-day basis. So you can see on April 16th, almost 28.6% deliveries have been taken, and the stock has given almost 1.1% positive movement. So if you go a little bit down and if you compare on regular basis, so you can see on an average we are seeing almost 40 to 50%. Okay, deliveries are being taken, so little decrease is also present, and also you can see little bit of traded quantity has considerably reduced and slightly deliveries are fluctuating. So earlier we know that the stock has corrected almost 7 to 8% when stock market was also volatile. So after that, when it has approached the levels, so again it has started retracing. So now let's go to the technical charts and we'll try to find out where the stock is facing the resistance. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the one-day chart of Adani Power, and you can see the stock has closed near 91.75 rupees, and you can see with almost 1.10 positive movement. Okay, so when we go a little bit down, you can see how the stock has given the rally. So we know continuous rally was generated. So when it has approached the 108, 110 rupees region, so from there it has considerably retraced and it has taken support near the 80 rupees region. So that also we have discussed. So from the 80 to 81 region it has considerably retraced, and again it has gone to the 100 rupees mark. Again now it is trying to correct, so you can see some sort of double top pattern is also formed in that particular region. So this particular level is going to be very important. So the stock in the coming sessions also, again it will face the resistance near the 95-96 rupees region. So after that, again the 100 rupees level is going to be very crucial. So if it crosses that, then definitely we may expect the stock to show its new rally. So where can we invest? So that is one big question. So you can see a clear support is being present here, that is 90 rupees region. So 89-90. So that also I told you need to watch in previous videos also. So if you want to have any fresh entry, so focus on 89-90 rupees region. So if you get a chance to invest, definitely go for investing in small portions. So that would be the best strategy. So market again would be volatile because the COVID cases are also increasing on day-to-day basis. So little cautiously you need to take any position in these stocks, especially which are highly volatile. Okay, so if you come a little bit down and if you see money flow index, so that has considerably reduced. So this is very good thing that from completely overbought region, the stock has come to 40 region, which is in the mid range. So that is very important. So when you're investing is important, not the price. So you can understand that when any stock goes to oversold or mid range, so again it considerably retraces and it gives you the opportunity. So forget about you have missed to buy near 60-70, so forget about that. So you need to focus what is the next move. So that is going to be very important. So you can see the stock is also trying to go up. Only thing is that market also should cooperate to it, and money flow index is also suggesting that it has come to the oversold region, not completely oversold, it is trying to come. So currently it's in mid range. So if it comes to oversold, so that would be the best entry to buy in this particular stock. Okay, so that was our discussion regarding one day chart. So in 1 week chart, so this is going to be very important. So again I'm telling, so you can see a certain type of pattern, so that we have discussed in Happiest Minds also. So can you see it is consolidating now? So this is something called pole and flag type of breakout. So breakout may be seen in the coming sessions. So currently it is going in a sideways trend, and it's giving you the opportunity to buy at the current levels. So let it fluctuate, let it consolidate for a certain period of time. So clearly you can see this is the pole, and this is the base support, and this is the resistance. Okay, can you see it? So let it take the support near the 89.90, let it consolidate for a certain period of time. So market also will be little volatile, so let everything go for Adani Power. So enter at these particular levels near 85, 86. So in that particular region, try to enter and accumulate it. So nothing to worry. So again, it may go up in the coming sessions also. So little patience is required. So little sideways trend may be seen in Adani Power. So after that only it will shoot up. Okay, so that is what I can say. So try to do multiple time frame analysis. So don't stick to only one day chart and try to get any conclusion. So you need to check in 1 week also how the stock is obeying. So in 1 week you can identify that it is trying to go little sideways after the bullish trend that it has generated. So once it crosses the 105 rupees region, again it will start its new rally. So now let us see how the money flow index is there for 1 week chart. So you can see money flow index for 1 week is completely overbought, not even near as well. So you can see it has gone even to 100 region. So that is highly overbought region. Now currently you can see it has come to 79. Okay, 79 is pretty good. Okay, for the stock who basically it is trading near very high region. So now it has come to 79, implies that considerable retracement has been seen. So that is what we have also observed from the 100 rupees region. So now currently let it settle and let it go to 60, 64 region. Money flow index. So let it go to that particular region. So after that it will take the support and again it will start retracing. So focus on all the levels near the 85 and 90, 86, anywhere you can invest, nothing to worry. So only focus that it should not go below 80. Okay, so that should be a strict stop loss. So follow 80 as a very important stop loss, and you can trade in between at any region, and 95, 96 is next resistance. So if it crosses that, again 100 plus can be seen in the Adani Power. Okay, so these are all the basic levels that I have observed and I am sharing with you. So you can also do the same analysis as well. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, or else you can also contact me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Derivati, and also subscribe to another channel so that you learn something new related to stock market. So I'm recording videos for that, so that's why it's getting little delayed. So try to cooperate with it. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.